Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a huge, gigantic, massive mystery to solve.
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. What are you staring at? Is there a superhero flying around?
No, Maya, look at it. The sky. It is so blue. Who painted it? Was it a giant with a mega-sized paint ruler? Or did someone spill 1 billion buckets of blueberry juice?
Oh, Alex. Nobody painted the sky. And please don't drink the sky thinking it's juice. The blue color actually comes from sunlight.
Sunlight? Maya, are you okay? Sunlight is yellow or white. It is definitely not blue.
That is what it looks like, but I'm about to show you some science magic. We are going to find the hidden colors inside the sun. Okay, Alex, first things first, the light coming from the sun looks white to our eyes, but white light is actually a mixture of every single color in the rainbow.
Every color? Even green? Even purple?
Yes, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When they all mix together, they make white light. It is like a secret team working together.
Whoa, it's split up. It looks like a rainbow.
That is what happens when light goes through a prism. But out in space, the light travels in a straight line. The travel starts when that light hits our atmosphere.
The atmosphere. That's like the big blanket of air around the Earth, right?
Spot on. The atmosphere is filled with gases and tiny little particles. Imagine the air is full of billions of tiny, invisible bumper cars. Now, here is the trick. Light travels in waves. Some colors, like red, travel in long, lazy waves. They are big and strong. They step right over the tiny gas particles.
I get it. Red is like a monster truck. It just drives right over the bumps.
Sort of, but blue light is different. Blue light travels in short, choppy, busy little waves. Because the blue waves are smaller, they crash into the gas particles in the air. Bam, boom, crash. They get scattered in every direction.
Oh, so the red light goes straight through, but the blue light goes crazy and bounces all over the place.
You got it. This is called Rayleigh scattering. Because the blue light scatters all over the sky, when you look up, your eyes catch all that bouncing blue light. That is why the sky looks blue.
Okay, I think I get it. But Maya, can we see it happen?
I thought you'd never ask. It is time for the experiment. We need a clear glass of water, a bright flashlight, and a tiny splash of milk.
Milk? Are we making cookies?
Not this time. The milk particles will act like the air molecules in the sky. Watch this. Now I will shine the flashlight through the side. Alex, look at the water from the side. What color do you see?
Whoa, the water looks bluish. It's glowing blue.
That is the milk particles scattering the blue light from the flashlight, just like the sky. When the sun is setting, the light travels a very long path to get to you. The blue light has scattered so much it is basically gone. The only light strong enough to make it through the thick layer of air is...
The red and the orange? Because they have the long, lazy waves.
Exactly. That is why sunsets are red and orange. The blue gave up, but the red kept going.
That is actually really cool. The sky is like a giant light filter.
It sure is. Now, are you ready for a mind-blowing did-you-know fact?
Yes, hit me with the facts.
We know the sky is blue on Earth, but what color is the sky on the moon or in space?
Is it blue too, or maybe green?
Nope. In space, there is no air, no atmosphere, no molecules to scatter the light. Because nothing scatters the light, the sky is pitch black. Even when the sun is shining, the sky looks black.
Okay, everyone, it is time to see if you were listening. It's quiz time.
Question 1. What color does sunlight look like to our eyes? A, blue, B, white, C, green.
It's B, white, but it hides a rainbow inside.
Correct. Question 2. Why is the sky blue? Because of the ocean, because of blue paint, or because the air scatters blue light?
C, it's the scattering, the bumper cars in the sky.
Amazing. Last one. What color is the sky in space?
Black, because there is no air to bump into.
Great job! If you want to try this at home, ask an adult to help you with a flashlight and a glass of milky water. You can make your own blue sky in a cup.
I'm gonna do that right now. But first, Maya, do we have a rhyme?
We sure do. The sunlight travels fast and bright, a hidden rainbow of white light. But when it hits the air and sky, the blue waves bounce and start to fly. While red drives straight and pushes through, the scattered light makes the sky look blue.
I love it. Thanks for explaining, Maya.
You're welcome, Alex. Keep looking up, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.